am ready for lab today. I'm ready to do the lab, but can you tell me what is definitely wrong with this picture? Well, I'm cute, but besides that, the fact that, where are my shoes? Where are my sleeves? Where's my protective eyewear? Where's my protective clothing wear? Why am I eating? These are the things that you need to make sure you remember about lab safety. Number one, always come prepared for lab. Dress appropriate. This is not dressed appropriate. Do not look at my toes, but I am not dressed appropriate. Number two, always wear your protective lab gear. This includes your lab aprons and safety goggles. Number three, always make sure that you know how to behave in the lab. So do not come in clowning and ready to fight and throwing glassware on the day that we have labs. Rule number four does not apply to you directly, biology students, but you will need it when you get to chemistry. Remember how to pour the chemicals safely. Pour chemicals or acid into water and not water into acid. And number five, always make sure that you read the lab carefully. You know what is asking of you, and be prepared for whatever the teacher instructs you to do during lab that day. Remember, 5 major lab safety rules, okay?
Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Uchime here, and today I'm going over lab equipment here. And in front of me, we have the Erlenmeyer flask. Its job is to transfer liquids and start chemical reactions in here. Look at this, pretty big. Hey everybody, it's Mr. Uchime again. And here in front of me I have the triple beam balance. Its job is to determine the mass of an object. As you can see, there's 3 ways in which you can determine the mass. You can do it by the 100, the 10th here, sorry, and by single numbers. Once again, 100, tenths, and single digits. Hey everybody, it's Mr. Uchime here again. In front of me, we have a beaker. Now this little creature here, even though it's not alive, is used to store and transfer liquids. Hey everybody, it's Mr. Uchime here. Once again, as you probably heard me say this before, but in front of me, I have a graduated cylinder. Now if you look on it, there's little tick marks. Its job is to accurately measure liquids, or volume per se. And we measure that in something known as ml. Now what does ml stand for? Milliliters. On to the next one. Hey everybody, it's Mr. Uchime here again. In front of me, or in my hand should I say, I have a funnel. Now its job is to either hold filter paper or insert liquid into a small opening. So let's look at my graduated cylinder here. Look at my funnel. All I would have to do is just pour water into it, or any type of liquid. Isn't that simple? Hey everybody, it's Mr. Uchime again. In front of me, or in my hand, you see a test tube. Now, inside of a test tube, you can easily look at a chemical reaction. But let's say you want that chemical reaction to happen at a faster rate. You know what you're gonna do? You're gonna just heat this bad boy up and watch it go. I swear it'll move real fast. Hey everybody, it's Mr. Uchime here. In front of me, I have a pipette, also known as a medicine dropper. Now, what its job is to do is to take a small amount of liquid and transfer the substance into another substance. It's real simple and it's very handy when you're trying to do microscopic or minute measurements. Hey everybody, it's Mr. Uchime again. And in my hand, I have something known as tweezers, better known as forceps. And if they were bigger and they had a handle, they'd be called tongs. Now, what they're used to do is to transfer objects that might be unpleasant to touch, such as la 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 la. A frog. Even though I can pick it up with my hand, it's better that you use these forceps. But like I said, I can touch it with my hands because I've been doing this for years. This is a real frog, and it says, "Hello, everybody." All right. And let's say that frog was boiling hot. Like let's say it was like 1,000 degrees. I would use the tongs to hold them so I don't burn my hands. Or I would use mittens. But in this case, we'll be using tongs because we're in the laboratory setting.
Wind, water, go planet!
By your powers combined, I am Captain Planet!
Captain Planet!